Hello, my name is Maya and I'm a zookeeper. These are all of my animals. And because the day's just started, I'm gonna feed them breakfast. Do you wanna feed them breakfast too? Okay, here we go. This is my dog. Hi, Boo Boo. Do you want some breakfast? You're hungry? Okay, eat your breakfast. Who should we feed breakfast to next? What about our kitty cat? Okay, come here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come here, kitty. Meow, meow. Kitty, kitty, do you want some breakfast too? Okay, here you go. Who else should we feed breakfast to? What about our pet elephant? Our pet elephant, Eleanor, is so big. Let's feed Eleanor. Dun, 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 dun. Eleanor, are you hungry? Do you want some breakfast? Here you go. I think Eleanor liked her breakfast. What do you think? All right, now that all of my animals have had their breakfast, I'm gonna put them back in their pens. Oh no! Do you see what I see? Oh no! There's a fire at the zoo! What are we gonna do? We should probably call the fire department. Let me push the numbers. 555 326 9807. Beep. Ring, ring. Hello, this is the fire department. Help, 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 help. This is the fire department. You call the fire department. There's a fire in my zoo. Yes? Are you having an emergency? Do you need us to come? I'm scared. I'm scared. What about the animals? What are we gonna do? All right. Okay. We will be on our way. Sit tight and don't be scared because when the rescuers come, you're gonna be safe. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. We need all of our fire trucks for this rescue mission. Let's count them up. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3. And the biggest one is number 4. And now we need our fire people to help us out. Come on, fire people, where are you at? Here I am. I wanna rescue. Oh, great. I am so glad you're here and I see you brought your fire hose. We're gonna need that for sure. Do you think there are any other fire people who are gonna help us out? Here I am. I came as fast as I can. I heard there's a fire and I know fires are dangerous. Also, I really love animals. Do you think that I can help out? Yes, you can help out. Oh, good. I'm so glad that I got here in time. All right, guys, let's hustle into our vehicles. Make sure you get on one that's gonna fit you really nicely. All right, guys, are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. I'm ready too. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Hey, wait for me. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. Hey, but who's gonna drive our last fire truck? What about me? I wanna go. Ruff, 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 ruff. Okay, hop on in, little doggy. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Oh gosh, I'm so scared, and I don't know what to do. I'm upset. Hey, oh my goodness, friend, I heard that there was a fire. Look at that, it's a bad fire. What are you gonna do? Well, I called the fire department, but I'm really scared about the animals. Will you help me get them to safety? Don't worry, I'll help you. Okay, let's go. Come on, tiger. Come on, tiger. Roar. Come on, elephant. Come on, elephant. Roar. Roar. Oh, come on, kitty cat. Come on, kitty cat. Meow, meow, meow. Come on, doggy. Come on, doggy. Come on, doggy. Woof, 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 woof. Almost all of my animals are safe, but what about the dog that's still on top of the barn? What are we gonna do? Hop on down, doggy. Hop on down, doggy. You gotta jump. You gotta do it. Roof, 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 roof. I'm scared. I'm scared. You can do it. We'll catch you. I'm your mommy, and I'm gonna take care of you. Ooh. Good doggy. Good doggy. Roof, 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 roof. Okay, we got all the animals safe and sound. Now, I think I see the fire department. Oh, thank goodness. Woo, 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 I'm so glad you're here. I was so scared. Oh, don't worry. We'll be here to save you. And I see we already rescued the animals, so that's a great start. Oh yeah, I was so nervous, but what are you gonna do? The barn is burning. Don't worry, we'll use our ladder. Beep, 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 beep. And now we need to climb to the top with our hose. Okay, I'll go first. Doop, 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 doop. Okay, I'll go second. Doop, 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 doop. Woof, 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 woof. Doop, 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 doop. All right, guys, time to get your hose. Let's put water on this fire. It's working, it's working, it's working. You're saving the barn. Oh my gosh, thank goodness you saved the barn. All the animals can go back home. No problem. We're very brave in the fire department. We were happy to help you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, time to get back in our trucks and go eat dinner. Ruff, 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 ruff. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. I was happy to save you. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Anyone can be a hero. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Well, guys, it's all in a hard day's work. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Thank you, fire department.